In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create waterfall charts in Excel. To get started, open your Excel file and make sure the data you want to visualize is already prepared. A waterfall chart works best when you have a clear starting value, a series of increases and decreases, and then an ending value. This type of chart is especially useful when you want to show how individual positive and negative changes contribute to a final result. Once your file is open, highlight the full data set you want to use for the chart. Be careful to include all the relevant labels and values, because Excel will use that selected range to build the chart automatically. Taking a moment here to confirm your selection can save you time and help prevent formatting issues later. Next, go to the ribbon at the top of Excel and click the Insert tab. In that tab, look for the chart options and select Insert Waterfall or Stock Chart. When the drop-down menu appears, choose Waterfall. Excel will immediately generate the chart for you based on the data you selected. At this point, your chart may already look close to correct, but there's one very important adjustment you need to make. Excel sometimes treats every column in the chart as a change, including the starting and ending balances. For a proper waterfall chart, the first and last columns should usually be shown as totals instead. To fix that, double-click the starting balance column in the chart. This will open a formatting panel on the right side of the screen. In that panel, switch to Series Options and check the box labeled Set as Total. Then click the ending balance column and do the same thing by checking Set as Total there as well. This step is important because it tells Excel that those columns are fixed totals, not increases or decreases. Once you do that, the chart becomes much easier to read and much more accurate as a visual explanation of how the values flow from the beginning amount to the ending amount. After that, Excel gives you a waterfall chart that clearly shows how each positive and negative value contributes to the movement from the starting total to the ending total. It's a simple but powerful way to present financial changes, performance breakdowns, or any step-by-step value progression. And that's it. You've successfully created a waterfall chart in Excel.